Easter wishes, unraveling the meaning. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, Easter wishes. This phrase is commonly used during the Easter season and holds cultural and linguistic significance. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about the phrase, this video will provide valuable insights. So let's dive in. Easter wishes refers to the good tidings or greetings that people exchange during the Easter holidays. Easter, a significant holiday in Christian culture, celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ. The phrase encapsulates not just religious sentiments but also general good wishes for happiness and well-being during this time. It's akin to saying, Merry Christmas, in December, or Happy New Year, at the start of January. Let's look at how you can incorporate Easter wishes into your conversations. 1. Sending Easter wishes. I'm sending you warm Easter wishes for a joyful and peaceful celebration. 2. As a greeting, Happy Easter. May your day be filled with joy and blessings. 3. In writing, wishing you a beautiful Easter season filled with happiness and good health. Understanding the cultural context is crucial. While Easter wishes is widely used in Christian-majority countries, its usage might vary in other cultures. There are also different ways to express these wishes, like Easter greetings or Happy Easter. The essence remains the same, wishing well-being and happiness during the Easter season. For English learners, practicing phrases like Easter wishes helps in understanding cultural nuances and improves language fluency. Try to use this phrase in your practice conversations, especially around Easter, to get familiar with its usage and context. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of Easter wishes. Remember, language learning is not just about words but also about cultural and contextual understanding. Happy learning, and we wish you a wonderful Easter season filled with joy and peace. See you in our next video.